rows are there. So number of squares is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. That is 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16. And that is equal to 30. And what will be number of rectangles? So number of rectangles equal to 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube. And that is equal to 1 plus 8 plus 27 plus 64. That is equal to 100. Or in other way, we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 into again 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. That is 10 into 10 equal to 100.